waze wakude wemgqibelo
Oh, oh,
waze wakude wemgqibelo wena
oh, oh,
waze wakude wemgqibelo.
yeah.
Hi guys, ngamalanga ngithandeka intombi yakwaZulu umntwana uMagebi Sithole Isikandaba from iqembu iAfro Soul.
Yeah.
Kanti angihambi kedwa ke ngihamba nomyeni wami uSabelo insizwa yakwaNgema.
Yeah, nkosikazi. Yeah, sanibona uSabelo Ngema useshilo uMaZulu, my wife. We're here to talk about our love life.
Yeah. For today, asikhulumi about acting. We are not talking about our music. We are not talking about
Business.
We are not talking about Igabao. Today we are talking about uthando lwethu, which we feel ukuthi namhlanje or rather this month, since it's Valentine's month, asenivulele kancane nje lo mnyango so that you get to know us. We started dating back in 2012.
2012, yeah.
Wayekade ke lo bhuti engilandela Nkosi yami elokhe engilandela
Need you to spell it out for me.
To describe our relationship in one sentence, I'll say inqanawe of two amazing people who are working together to build something amazing, who are always there for each other, supporting each other, and to bring the best out of each other. I think that's what we are.
Why are you reading my mind, man? No, she said it all. I wouldn't want to change anything she said. Whatever she says, we say it because we are one.
All night. It's like a type of alchemy. Introduce me to your best friend. I can come slide right in.
Working together, the way we balance our professional life and our day-to-day lives, we seal everything with God and respect. We are able to differentiate between this is home, this is work. And also our surroundings, we are always aware of our surroundings. We make sure that when we are at work, it is work. When we are home, we make sure that we embrace ourselves. We are as romantic as possible. We are as intimate as possible so that we keep the fire burning. So that's how we differentiate. But that one thing that is a core to our relationship and work, respect and God.
I already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place. So don't.
The secret to sustaining a strong and healthy marriage, I think, okay, one, it's respect and keeping the trust, loyalty. Yeah, I think those are the foundations. If ungasamthembi umuntu wakho, I don't think you could love umuntu wakho the same way. So I think menhloniphana nithembana moreover, because if umuntu umthemba, the rest happens automatically. If umuntu umthemba, umuntu wakho umthemba naye reassure all the time ukuthi uyakuthanda and uthembekile kuwena, submission iyayizela yona. You become submissive now as a leader. You lead ngendlela right because there is a trust ekhaya. Uyazi ukuthi ngisho ngibhekele umfazi wami or unkosikazi wami is representing me ngendlela right, vice versa, because you automatically become an ambassador of each other. Yeah.
Very true, my baby. You know what? NgesiZulu sithi ithemba liyaphilisa. We are all living because we have a hope that tomorrow we'll still be seeing the sun. Otherwise, if we knew that there's no sun tomorrow, you know, we may as well just die. So ithemba othandweni nokuthembana makes the love work.
Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the time.
Friendship in a relationship.
Can I take that?
Very important.
You know, again, you know, in Zulu, abangani bahambe bajwayelane kabi. So I make sure we talk about this, that let us not become too much of friends, because we're gonna lose the grip of love. So it is okay to be friends in a relationship, but make sure that you are lovers more than friends, because friendship, is easy. It doesn't have, those values and beliefs that guides love. So we are friends, but not too much of friends. I don't know if maybe we also may talk about friends of our relationship. We also do not allow that. We do have friends in jail now and then, but we don't allow friends of a relationship, because people come with their own perceptions and expectations, and they ruin what we have.
Yeah, I think he's right. But also, I feel like there is a room of friendship in the Lezwana ngayo.
Yeah.
We literally talk about anything and everything. We laugh about yonke into. It's easier for someone ukuthi ukwazi ngisho ukumbonisa endleleni mangabe engahambi kahle, if uyazi ukuthi kune room yokuthi siyakwazi nokuncokola, akukho serious, akukho tense in marriage or in a relationship. So I think
I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need.
Nice question.
go first.
Yeah, we do have those memories that always reminds us where we come from. One of them for me is when we were recording at the studio, recording one of the late Dr. Mbongeni Ngema's albums at KZN Music House. Every time after, during breaks, we'll go into the parking, into our car, and and steal, because at the time we were still doing it secretly. So we'll steal those moments, and there's a movement, a dance movement that we used to do together. So I have that memory forever, when she was still younger and thin. So, and I've made it so this portable now. It's portable.
Oh my gosh. For me, there's so many. Which one? Okay, the one that he mentioned is one of them. And the other one, you remember, jazz.
Oh, that was...
Okay, I can't say that one. I can't mention that one on cam. But yeah,
that was
beautiful
that
memories.
Was the stamp
beautiful
into,
memories were created
that
night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man. I'd like to think you feel the same way, but I can't tell with you sometimes.
Okay, Valentine's Day, as Abantu that are both artists, we're in a band. We have a show that we're going to perform in South Coast. Masquerade, we are going away. Anyone that knows us knows Uti Sabantu who likes to try new hidden gems. I always say Emahlathini. So siyalapho ke siye Emahlathini just to spend quality time together, because most of the time mangabe sekunanabantwana ekhaya, you hardly get time ukuthi nishawe umoya. And of course we work together. There's so much that we do okudinga isikhathi nengqondo yethu. So we feel ukuthi ngeyikhathi efana naso lesi se-Valentine, we need to go away and have a great time. Just the two of us.
And have a Mahlathini experience.
Definitely. Why not?
I'll tell with you sometime. So baby, let's get on the same page. Stop making me read between the lines. Already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place.
If I were to dedicate a song to my wife, would be Waze Wakude Wemgqibelo. Reason being, I'm always looking forward to that hidden gem where we just go away. Usually it happens on weekends. So I'm always looking forward to, when are we going again? So Waze Wakude, where day that we go. That's the song.
My one, Gimtolile. Gimtolile. All of inhliziyo.
Mina ngiyamthanda
Ngohlala naye. Ngohlala naye. All of inhliziyo.
Mina ngiyamthanda lona.
Ngimtholile olapha inhliziyo mina ngiyamthanda lona.
Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it.
She is more romantic, she's more particular. I'm a supporting structure. Ayifuneki indoda romantic madoda.
Hayibo.
Indoda must just be loving. So yeah, I would say she's more romantic. Man.
To a point ukuthi wafundiswe imini ukuthi hayibo baba umuntu osesaphela uyayithenga imbali. Asho ukuthi hayi mina nginsizwa yasenhlabathi bakithi angizazi lezi zinto. Ngazi nje ukuthi mase ngifaka imali kwi-account suke sengiqedile ngithi cha bobo. Oda phela amaflower hayi bandlu siyazama Nkosi yami usayithenga.
Isi le ngakithi kwahlabisa izinsizwa ziyithenga imbali ufaka imali uvilaphi uphathisa ikhumbi eDurban Station ifike kumama imali umama jabule kwemnandi.
Like it when you call me wonderful. Never the type to talk, it is come on then. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me.
Love is beautiful. Love needs ukuthi lunakekele uthando lufana nesitshe esifayo. You must always be there for each other. There's no time to give it a gap for her to filter into your relationship. So give your love time. Time means love. If you don't have time for umthandayo, what do you have? Because they can't love themselves. They need you and time. You guys need together. That's how I will say.
It's either we go all in or
We don't go at all.
Yeah, you must give it your all, man. Also, sihlezi sikhuluma as women ukuthi siyagoa kunjanjani kunzima emjulweni kunzima emshadweni. I always say I'm not saying we are perfect.
Yeah.
But I think it's good ukuthanda umuntu and choosing one and the same person, being committed to the same person that is committed to you. Kungabi khona ofoso omunye phakathi kwenu kube ngazathi khona manje osephoqiwe to be in love with omunye. Obviously challenges are going to be there, but ama challenges are overcomega and you must pray ukuthi uthole umuntu who is kind, because even during quarrels or those challenges umuntu wakho still you argue with kindness, with calmness, because uyakhumbula ukuthi okay umuntu engimthandayo lo I can't speak anyhow, angikwazi ukusho amagama alumelayo noma ahlabayo azomphatha kabi. So yeah,
so if you do that ngeke ugowe because yonke it will be perfect. The only going people the goers laba abantshontsha uthando alintshontsha uthando kumele ulithole nje liphelele.
Talk to me, 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 be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man.
okay,
Yeah, take it.
let me take that one.
Take it away.
Yo, as KZN's favorite couple and Afropop duo, I see Afrosoul one day receiving a Grammy Award. Why not? It's possible.
Yeah, true.
I see us growing as a couple. Size sifike kwiminyaka yobaba uKefa Simenye noMamule Tambule, the likes of uBabu Hashele Mhlophe noMamNgcobo. It's possible. I think, man, we have a lot that we share or that we have in common. Masiborekile or makufiki isikhathi sobunzima, when he plays a piano, we sing easy nakho konke sibhekene nakho, because we can't lie and pretend as if industry sikuyona it's always smooth in ama ups and downs. So there are moments and times where you feel with yo yeah she's intimate, but if we have each other, so hence I'm saying I see Afrosoul receiving Grammy Awards. I see Academy expanding into other provinces, in fact, into other
Yes,
countries.
into other countries,
I see us growing, size siba nezinye elilodwa silandelana lapha walking by the beach.
Just to add on that, I see our graduates from the academy, one day when we're older, we're sitting in our couches, watching them on big screens, becoming the best in the whole world. And by the time the academy runs itself, as you are saying. So we see this empire becoming an international brand.
Great.
Yeah.
That was
Afro Soul.
Thank you for watching and happy Valentine's Day. Ngimtholile,
Yo hum,
ngimtholile,
yo hum,
olafihlezi.
yo hum, mina ngiyamthanda lona.